about your products. What do you guys create here?
Well, we create solutions. We want a customer to ultimately get a solution to their problem that's not an out-of-the-box cookie-cutter thing that fit a manufacturing facility.
The vast majority of commercial rooftops are just distributed products where they just build a whole bunch of them down a production line, and you kind of get what you get. We try to tailor our product to every customer's need.
Really where we shine is the fact that we are semi-custom at a price point that's a lot closer to the high-volume, no-frills product.
We just continue to strive and develop these products to push them further and further to meet the goals of our customers and our clients.
Our philosophy in manufacturing and really doing business starts with being flexible. So when you're vertically integrated, it gives you more tools to be flexible with.
It helps us a lot in terms of speed to market. Like in the case of coils, we're definitely able to really get thorough on the design of the coil, especially if we do heat pumps. In the world of controls, what can we achieve to do things unique that a lot of the industry aren't doing?
It was always just ingrained within the engineering and product teams to always think about what's next, what more can we do?
When we started, most air conditioners were just made in this mass production environment where they didn't have any options, and we listened.
Let's come up with something that the customer might not even know that they need that is a direct attack on the problems that our customers are dealing with. I started at AAON in the early days. What really is the very most important pinnacle thing that I'm most proud of is the group of people that we've assembled and the way that they interact with each other and their actual motivation.
I started in 1996, and I've got a few colleagues who I've kind of worked with my entire time. Even the younger people that we bring in, they do things outside of AAON, and I think it really develops a team environment where we can really work together to solve whatever problems we have.
Collaboration's kind of at the heart of what we do. What we really see within all of our organization is that AAON has a really unique culture where we sort of gang tackle problems and projects. Everybody seems to have that eagerness to roll up their sleeves and get involved and help out with the solution.
Our main focus is really what does the industry need today, what do they need tomorrow, where do we see things going. When you're focused on that, then we're able to come up with things that really change the industry versus just trying to keep up with the competition. It's not something we're really that interested in.
There was a new minimum efficiency standard that went into place in 2023. That caused most of our competitors to redesign their products. We didn't have to do that. So we have products now that most of our competitors aren't going to have for probably several years.
We've already got the rep force that is probably the best in the nation, best in the North American market. So we're going to continue to work on tools that can help them to integrate our products into their projects.
You're investing in a different way of doing things that has continued to be proven sound over and over and over again. What you're investing in is you're investing in a phenomenon.